So the basic engineering and designing of that assembly machine that we just saw in the room before is all done in here on all these computers. And then the finished products over there.
There are also little devices to train them.
This is a testing room.
This is a testing room.
To make sure everything works.
Yes, a testing room. They can test their programs that they're using there.
And that's what the kids are doing over here. So they're making a part here for a bread company, for an assembly line to make bread. For the differentiate.
We have to decide it to make a smaller bread or a larger bread.
Okay, and then
this machinery is doing that.
So how did you get hooked up with this bread company to do this?
Hoe zijn we bij dat bedrijf gekomen? A teacher knows the company owner.
Okay, and are they paying the school to do that, or?
The equipment.
Only the materials.
The materials. They're paying the materials,
yes.
And you're showing the kids how to build this.
Yes.
And you have a bachelor's degree?
Yes.
And what is your bachelor's degree in?
Maintenance.
Maintenance.
Yes.
And you learned, did you go to a school like this too?
Yeah, also a technical school.
Then you went to a...
He's an old student for me.
Then I went to Mr. Cardinals.
Then you went to a college.
Yes.
University. You went to a university or?
University, no,
High school.
Mm-hmm.
Professional bachelor.
Professional bachelor's degree.
3 years of bachelor.
Right. Did you work in industry at all?
2 years.
2 years in industry. You came back.
2 years maintenance.
Right.
And then my wife told me, you go to teach.
Teach.
And then I went to a few other schools.
Right.
And then I came to
here. What is this here?
That's a device to learn about the
bearings.
The bearings.
The bearings.
Yes.
In a like a
mechanical
device. Analyzing their schematics in more of a simple project, and then as they progress up, they progress to basic machines, and then more advanced machines.
Machines they are using in the upper grade. And you see here they are working on the several kind of projects.
Oh, okay. And this would be 9th grade.
What is the 9th grade?
See, all the kids look like they're really fully engaged and they're working on their projects. I don't see any kids screwing around over here. And these kids, here's something, looks like the teachers helping the kids here. And what type of background does the teacher have?
A bachelor.
A bachelor's in woodwork. So he's teacher's a fully trained college.
He has several years experience in a factory.
Oh, he's also working in industry. Wow. So do you speak English? Yes. And how old are you? 15. And do you enjoy this type of stuff, or yeah? It makes you want to come to school. Yeah, a little bit. But you're learning a lot of things here. And what do you want to do when you graduate? What is your plan? What type of work though? In wood. Yeah. Great. Well, thank you.
It's not okay with his hairdress.
Yeah. This classroom here looks like where the lectures would go down.
Yes.
And it looks like here
technology and woodwork.
Yes. Technology and woodwork, and the teacher here has some demonstration things. Looks like how the walls fit together. The insulation goes in the walls, and wow, looks like he's teaching the kids how to build a stairs. Correct?
Yes. constructions of roof.
Constructions of roofs in houses, and
Yes.
the kids are learning everything. Over here, types of shellacking,
Yes.
painting
Yes.
of the woods. And this looks like what? Windows?
Windows.
Window installation.
Window installations and the several kind of materials they are using now for windows.
Right. Wow. Just told me that at this point in time, you might start integrating the iPad. And, but unless you have all of these remedial skills to build up, so the kids are seeing the practical, the design on the computers of the schematics, then what you're saying is the iPad is really it's of very little value.
If you have not the skills and the education training on the real thing, then is iPad not of a great thing, usable for the education.
Yeah.
You have to integrate that together.
Correct. And do all the remedial steps
Yes,
up.
yes, yes.
Yeah, because in the American system, they're basically giving the kids the iPads and helping them in their schools, and this is basically our secret weapon, and everybody feels like because the kids have iPads now that we understand technology. And what I see here in Europe, this is my second country, first Germany and now Belgium, but you have a complete different model on technology, and it's far different than what I'm seeing here in America.
But there's an evolution, and most a few people in Belgium are thinking that the solution is also by an iPad, and that is not the solution. Technology is more than an iPad. Technology is skills, is a lot of skills. Is engineering, is the technology, is the knowledge of materials, the knowledge of to make from a material a product. That you can experience on the real thing.